Okay, so let's start part B of number 65. So it says a stone is dropped from the upper observation deck of the CN Tower 450 meters above ground and asks how long does it take the stone to reach the ground? So the stone hits the ground when S of t is equal to 0, right? So S of t equals 0, and that's when the stone hits the ground. Because the position function is set up in such a way that S of 0 equals 450 meters above ground, so we solve S of t equals 0 to find when the stone's at ground level. So from A, we had that S of t is equal to minus 4.9 t squared plus 450 meters. So S of t is equal to 0. So we set everything equal to 0. So 4.9 t squared plus 450. And then we just solve for t. So we get 4.9 t squared is equal to 450. So t squared is equal to 450 over 4.9. And then we just have that t is equal to the positive square root of 450 over 4.9. So we can discard the negative square root because we're not really going to be getting a negative value for time, because that would imply that we're moving back in time. So if we do this calculation, so the square root of 450 over 4.9 is approximately 9.58 seconds. And that is the answer.